Good evening and welcome to Galley of the Sun. Tonight we're going to be making this epic burger. So during the pandemic in 2020, backyard burger places popped up all over the LA area. One of those was named Hangaburs, and they came up with this incredible creation. It's called the Tepic. The Tepic has grilled onions, it has grilled ham, it has grilled panela, which is this incredible creamy white Mexican cheese. It also has this spicy mustard crema, which we'll be putting together shortly. So the Tepic Burger is named after a city in Mexico. Tepic was the home of Luis Ernesto Miramontes Cardenas, a Mexican chemist. What was he famous for? He is the co-inventor of progestin norethindrone, a chemical used in the first 3 oral contraceptives. Now, if you make this burger yourself, those oral contraceptives are not going to keep you from feeling like you have a baby burger in your belly when you're done with this incredible creation. Let's make the crema. To make the crema is very, very easy. So we're going to take our crema, and the amounts are in the description down below, and we're going to mix some spicy mustard. Time to make the burgers. All right, now to make the burger patties. So what I have here is about 1.5 pounds of aged ground beef. Did he say aged ground beef? Yes, I did. We'll cover that in another video. So we're going to take this 1.5 pounds. We're going to make 4 bowls of hamburgers. It is very rare that I make a single burger, but this burger has so many things going on in it that you don't need the 2 patties, as much as I would love to put them on there. So we got our 4 pieces, making the 4 bowls. When we go to make the burgers, we're going to use basically the same technique that I do every time I make burgers. Smash burgers, I am totally convinced, are the way to go. So one of the first steps to making those smash burgers is to make the ball of meat. Now that ball is going to sit on the griddle for a few seconds to get a little area that's cooked. So when we turn it over to smash it, the press is going to hit that little cooked area and not stick to the press. At least that's the theory, and it's worked every time. Now that I'm doing this on video, it's not going to work, but we'll see. All right, we got our 4 patties. Now on to the next step. As I mentioned before, there are grilled onions in this burger. We don't need a ton of it. I'm going with 1/2 sweet onion here for the 4 burgers that I'm making. So let's get these diced up sort of fine. All right, the onions are gathered up, and when I make burgers, this is typically my setup. I get a great big baking sheet, line it with parchment paper, and I get all my different components right here, because once we go to the grill, things happen fast, so I like having everything ready to go. But wait, we are done with the onions. We have the secret ingredient. If you're gonna grill onions on the grill, you gotta put something down. You gotta put butter down, or oil, or mayonnaise or suntan lotion or something. We're going to take this to the next level. Oh, look at that. That right there is happiness in a cup. Alrighty, so I've put together some more of the ingredients on the tray over here. We have our white American cheese. We have our ham is ready to go. This is the Panela cheese. I found this at Safeway. Also, if you have a Mexican grocery store, you can find it there. So let's get that open and ready. We need 4 pieces for our 4 burgers. And they need to be relatively thick because this is going to get grilled. This is my first time working with Panela. Looking at it from the side, it looks like it's already into slices, but we'll find out. Haha! Looks can be deceiving. All right, 4 slices. At least they're separated nice with this design here. Now we got 2 semi-pretty pieces and 2 hideous ones, but we're going to make this work. Got to find a different way to cut those next time. This goes on a toasted potato bun with ketchup on the top and the spicy mustard crema on the bottom. So we get our buns buttered and we're ready to head to the griddle. All right, everything's ready. To the griddle! All right, the longest cook time of this is going to be the onions, so we'll get those started first. First, a little of that beef tallow magic, and then our onions. All right, our onions have a good head start. Now let's get the ham crisped up. Now it's time for the burger. The ball of meat goes on. Give it a good 10-15 seconds to get a little bit of cooking done on that side. We are there. Flip it and smash it. That smash is going to get that fantastic crust on it. Now hit it with some seasoning. Once we see those edges start to crisp up, then we're going to give it a flip, add the American cheese. Going to turn the heat down for my onions and my ham over here. All right, you can see the crispness around the edges there. It's time for the flip. First, you got to scrape. Keep that beautiful crust that we've made in good shape. Oh, look at that. Dinero de Pantalones. We don't season this side, but the American cheese goes on. And now we get our panela browned up. Time to start constructing that burger. So, spicy mustard crema on the bottom. And don't skimp on that sauce. And some smoky red duck ketchup on the top. Oh, look at that. Get that crispy ham on top of our burger. We're making 4 burgers, so about a quarter of those onions. And then that magical panela cheese. And it all comes together. Now for the money shot. Absolutely beautiful. Now the test. A little bite from the crema, the creaminess of the cheese, the crispiness of the ham. Fantastic. Try the Tepic Burger.